It did come out pretty nice.
One way to bring up.
Surprisingly though, I have not been breaking out for the lack of sleep I've been getting. Maybe I've been drinking a lot of water. Welcome back to another studio vlog. It's been a while since I realized while editing there's a lot of phrases that I say a lot. I say honestly, there's so much, but I catch myself saying it as I say it now because I know I hear it so often. But welcome back to another studio vlog. It's been a long time. I contemplated naming the other vlogs studio vlogs because I technically live in a studio, but I know someone's gonna call me out and be like, this is not a studio vlog. So I will resist doing that for now, but let's get started with this vlog. Do I like this? Is that better? It's like yellow. I know I'm gonna hate this while editing. It's 6:20. I woke up multiple times last night because I had a mocha yesterday morning and my big brain decided to have milk tea at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And my theory was if I just attempt to just have the boba, maybe the caffeine won't affect me. But I was very wrong. Anyways, plan of action. Action plan. Today, I need to pack Patreon mail as well as order, like one order. And if I have time, I want to redraw my Patreon tiers. But this is a card of the month. It's a print. I feel really bad because this is like a 5-second backing card. I wanted to add something and not have it be plain. But the colors, I always have trouble with cat print colors. I mean, it's okay. It's kind of like vintage looking. I think that's what they do with my colors because I tend to use very vibrant colors and it ends up translating to like retro vintage colors by the time they're done with it. So I don't know what to think, but it did come out pretty nice. Do I know what's going on in this print? Not really, but we made it happen and that's what counts. Sticker app, for some reason, I always have trouble with their stickers as well. Let me show you. I did these stickers with sticker app and what I messed up on was I made it glossy instead of matte. So you can kind of see the lines and it's not a bright white, it's all my fault. I always mess up with sticker app somehow. You can't really tell. So this was kind of a fail, but I mean, it looks okay from far away. Whatever, okay. And then there's one more sticker that we're waiting for to arrive today. I wanted to share this piece that I recently worked on. It's definitely different, right? I need to make a thank you card and then pack orders and then start maybe drawing tiers. Okay, here we go. TikTok song stuck in my head. It goes do 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 do. It is now 2:30 and I'm heating up the milk tea from yesterday, even though I feel some type of way from that milk tea from yesterday. I feel like I have to drink it. So, my last sticker arrived. I need to finish writing the names and then we can pack. Topamax, Topamax, Topamax. Guys, this sticker is actually gigantic. I did not know it was gonna be this big. Pretty huge. Good afternoon. It's now 6:16. Let's turn this off. Okay. So I went grocery shopping earlier, which you probably saw. Don't know why I say these things. Stay. Nope. Stay. Okay. This is what I got. I got brown sugar cereal because I wanted oatmeal, but they didn't have oatmeal because it was an Asian grocery store. I got chrysanthemum tea. Oh, I got drinks also. I got this pear drink. I got apple cider, which is like the Taiwanese apple cider. I got the hot sauce. I got this from my dad. It is osmanthus and nut lotus root. Osmanthus and nut lotus root starch. I don't know. I'm not into it, but I feel like he would be. Some green pea, a bag of ramen, hot pot mix, a Korean soup, ginseng soup packet thing. I got rice punch. I feel like Michelle Choi always drinks these, so I wanted to try it. A pack of seaweed. And also this packaging. It's so pretty. Oh, the packaging is, oh, wow. Wow. This is nice. I made myself a roll for the airplane tomorrow, or for lunch tomorrow. Oh, I hope it's not too soggy. I hope I remember to bring it. That's more important. The doctor told me to lay off milk, but I feel like I need milk to make this drink good, so we're gonna try milk. If milk is the root of my problems, we'll find out tonight. Maybe I should have heated it up first. Why did it just do that? Cheers. You know, after yesterday, I had way too much caffeine and now I'm paying the price. So we're gonna have toast. Back to my restricted diet. Wait, why is it so dark? Hello? It's really dark today because it's raining. Today we got some Trader Joe's creamy almond butter. What can I talk about? I was talking to a friend about emotions. And for the first time, someone said that I am emotionally intelligent, which is something that I have not heard of before. But I searched it up and I can kind of see it in a sense. I think for the people that I'm close to, I really try to read what's on their mind. And the empath in me really wants to help. But for people that I'm not close to, I can only do so much. And I think maybe that's why I'm not super close to a lot of people, because it takes a lot from me. So I can only give so much. Does that make sense? This does not taste that good. Anyways, one thing I'm really glad for is the people that I'm really close to. They understand that I have moments where I do... the battery. They understand that I have moments where I really do want to go out, but also moments that I cannot get myself out of the house. And they understand that, which I'm super, super thankful for. But at the same time, I do force myself to go out sometimes, even when I don't want to, because I know it's good for me. In terms of like going out by myself, like I love going out on walks, especially if there's sun and grass that I can lay down on. Now that I'm at an apartment, I don't want to lay down on the grass in the middle of all these apartments, but ideally, I would love to just go somewhere and lay on the grass. It's touching because sometimes people will tell me that I make them want to be a better person, and I think that's what everyone should have. Like, I would not be who I am without the people that shaped me. So everyone that's around me or everyone that I kept, there are people that taught me to be who I am. And then me teaching others is a result of that also. It's a very nice domino effect, but I guess it only affects the people that I'm close to, because if I don't talk to you that often, you can't really get a sense of like everything. But that's interesting. I know some people don't have people in their lives that make them strive to be better, but I hope you do find people like that, because it really does make a difference. And if not, I mean, there's everyone on the internet, and there's other people that you can look up to and strive to be better. It's not a competition. We're all different. We're all good in our own separate ways. And I think what matters is we keep an open mind in trying to be that better person, rather than pushing ourselves down and comparing ourselves to other people. Just know you're different, you're trying your best, and the fact that you realize that you want to be better is all that matters. That is my TED Talk of the day. Mel Talk, TED Talk. I hope that helped for anyone who's like comparing themselves. Because I know it's easy to just say, okay, I won't compare myself anymore, but it's in there. I guess I am sort of glad school put me into this position where I am like very out of it, because I haven't been comparing myself as much to other people, or I have been, but it's not too intense where it really gets to me. I think now I see the people who are like up there, I see them as motivational factors. Like, these are the people that make me want to be better, and I enjoy it. People in my class make me laugh, and it's actually enjoyable. I can't say I hate school, which is shocking, but I don't like the fact that it burns me out and drains me. But the people and what I'm learning is awesome, and that's mind-blowing, because me in undergrad was like, I did not like school, or me in high school did not like school. Both high school and undergrad was just, it was not it. But right now, I can honestly say It's not too bad. It's bad, but it's not too bad. I've talked for 8 minutes now and my bread is cold, so goodbye.